Hey guys, welcome back to Gabriel Auto Channel. Today we're working on a high loop. Won't start, no start. Alright, we're gonna check the basics, alright? We'll have to check all the fuses. Fuse is good. That's good. That's good. All the fuses is good. Now we're gonna check and see if we get power to the starter. Check and see if we get power to the starter. Power to the starter. Make sure the battery's good. The battery's good. Ground. What? What? Yeah. Alright, I'm trying to get signal from the key. Alright. See? It's ground. Turn the key on. Getting power there. Cranking. Right. Got power here. We got power from the ignition. Right? Power from the ignition. Right. Power from ignition. Now we're gonna check the relay. See if it's really got power. Right. Right. Yes, guys. I think this needs a relay, guys.
Your brother?
It needs a relay. All right.
You know what?
It's on the relay. Start this bad boy up. All right. Turn the key on.